Hello guys, so today we're focusing on derivative of special function. So we're gonna start with trigonometric function. So we have an example here. It says if f of x is equals to tan x, then the derivative of f of x is sec squared x, right? So we have to find the derivative of tan x, which is what? Which is sec squared x. So this is a proof, guys. So this is a proof, right? So let's answer this question, right? So we know that tan x is the same as sin x over cos x, right? So now here we have what? We have a fraction, and if we have a fraction, then that means we can find the derivative of what? Of a fraction using what? Using quotient rule, right? So let's just say sin x is g of x and cos x is r of x, right? Then to find the derivative of what? Of f of x, I'm gonna say r of x multiplied by derivative of g of x minus g of x multiplied by derivative of r of x, all divided by r of x squared, right? And we know that r of x is what? Is cos x, and derivative of g of x, gonna say is d over dx of sin x. Then we minus, after this minus we open the bracket, then we keep g of x constant, which is sin x. Then we do the derivative of r of x, which is cos of x. Then we close the bracket, all divided by what? All divided by cos squared x, right? Then now we have cos x. Then what is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is cos x, right? Minus, we keep sin x constant. Then what is the derivative of cos x? Is negative sin x. Then we close the bracket, all divided by cos squared x, right? Then now we're done applying the rule of quotient rule, right? So all is left is for us to simplify, right? So cos x multiplied by cos x is cos x squared, minus, we open the bracket, sin x multiplied by negative sin x is negative sin squared x. We close the bracket, all divided by cos squared x, right? Then now I'm gonna say cos squared x, then negative multiplied by negative is positive, then that means we're gonna have positive sin squared x, all divided by cos squared x, right? And we know that cos squared x plus sin squared x is the same as 1, all divided by cos squared x. So 1 over cos squared x is the same as having sec squared x. So that means with the derivative of f of x is sec squared x. So this is our final answer. This is how we apply the quotient rule.